Hello, my name is Ada of Incomescape. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what's already on the screen. How to make money through print on demand that you create on Canva. I always advocate for Canva because, oh my God, no matter the skill level you are at, you can use it to create whatever, all right, and use it to make money. So print on demand, if you don't already know about it, print on demand is where you create designs and then you can put that design on a site like Teepublic. When you put it on that site like Teepublic, people are going to come in and they're going to, of course, see your product too and buy it. Now, it doesn't matter where you put it as far as you have a good design. People are looking for something good. So I would always advise design things that are in season. How do you do this? Go to Teepublic, go to Redbubble, go to different sites. Look at what is trending. Look at the different categories. Look at the trending searches. Look at the popular designs, all right? And try to do something like that. And also look at memes, trending memes, and know if you can rethink it, all right, and put it in your design. Don't just say, I want to do something that I'm passionate about. Your passion and what is involved might not align. So today I'm going to be taking us to Teepublic so that we can get signed in, all right, and get started on it. Remember that with things like this, Teepublic, I want to tell you that it's a numbers game. Do not just design one thing and then you're okay. No, 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 no. You've got to keep on doing that. You have to keep on looking for ways to get better, to improve yourself. So look at their very cute user interface and all of these. You have to look at what they are offering. Is beautiful. All right. You can browse. You can, and they're very good. If you get if you design, your design is going to come out under newest designers, and that is good. I love how these people try their best, but I will always encourage you to find ways to bring your own people, bring eyes to your own shop, all right. You can also browse adult apparel, kids, masks, all right, home goods, cases, and stickers, and all of that. So let us, because we're new here, right, let us create an account. And this is how we have come. So you put your name. My name is Ada, and I'm going to put Incomescape as my last name, right? And then I'm going to use the email that I just had for this. And then you are going to select a country. Let's say your country is the United States, right? So you select United States and then you choose a password. Let's go with Incomescape as our password, and then we confirm it, Incomescape. All right, so this is just for show. Okay, if you want to receive adverts for their products and all of that, go for it. If not, you can remove that. Okay, so let's leave that for now because we are not really using this for anything. They said the password does not match. And so they have told us that they are going to send us a verification email to even get started. Okay, so we are going to confirm our email and come back. So we have confirmed our email and we are now in here. So let us try and log in again. And they are asking for our email address so that we log in. And for Incomescape so that we can, and we are in here. Now this is where I want us to be. All right, so we are right here, and then you can look at what you want to do, right? Sign up as a designer and start selling. So let us upload our art. I want to take you through in Teepublic. One thing that I love Teepublic for, and why I think they are better, their user interface is better than that of Redbubble, is that Redbubble only has single file upload. That means that if you have 20 designs that you need to upload in a day, on Redbubble, you're going to do that one at a time. But on Teepublic right here, you can do multiple file upload. So I'm going to do a single file upload But first of all, they're saying you are new here and I have to choose a store name. So let me say that my store name is Incomescape. All right. So this store name is available. Woo! So let us go to uploader. Okay. And I've got just the right, I've got the one design, and I've got the one design for that. Where is that? Right. I've got this. So we are uploading that. So you have, see, look at the dimensions. It has to be at least 1500 pixels by 1995 pixels, not including transparent pixels. And I want to say something, that if you make your design on Canva, for instance, if you want to download that design, I want you to always make sure that you make it a transparent background. Okay. Use a transparent background. Now look at what they said. Your image isn't large enough. So I usually use, I think that's 5000 pixels by 5500 pixels. Always use that so that your design can fit into as many range of products as possible. Somebody can carry it as a tote bag. Somebody can, all of these things. These are options for you. But people have to see that they want to see what they love. All right, before they can buy that. So if you have a good design, use as much space as possible, blow it up enough to fit every single dimension. All right, and then you publish or save for later. Please remember right here, these are where you describe the design. This design says, I am worthy. You come here, I am worthy yesterday, today, and that's tomorrow, right? And every day. Good. So you put that. Okay, you go to this one. What one tag would you use to describe your design? Worthy, do they have that? Okay, they have that as their tag. And then you describe your sentence in a short sentence. Please, I use every space. Here they're going to start recommending different tags for you. Use every space. I believe that here you can use up to 15 tags. Use every tag so that if there are organic people are coming looking for something, summer design or winter or Thanksgiving, turkey, whatever it is, if your design has it, if it has color, put color. If your design can be used for mental health, use it. All right. You want the keywords to work in your favor, especially if you're still starting out new and you do not have a lot of traffic for yourself. Okay. And of course, your design doesn't have nudity or adult themes, you click no. Okay. And then you go and you publish. I do not want to press publish here because I do not want this store. All right. And you also have to read the terms and conditions. But okay, they said you must choose description. You have to choose a lot of things. So this is basically how you get started designing on Teepublic. So do that, get started. I am very excited for you to make your next money. See you on the next video. All right, stay around, please. Thank you.